this is how we check mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. I'm gonna show you how you can install webcam to your Windows computer, to Windows 11, Windows 10 or whatever version of Windows you have. You can see I have a brand new webcam in front of me. Here we go. This is Cisco or any other brand you have, it doesn't matter. The process would be the same. Take the webcam out from the box. Here we go. So here is the webcam. All of them are same more or less. They can come with different type of jack. This is USB, normal USB, micro USB or USB-C port. Different version. Process will be similar. So you have to put your webcam where you want to install to your computer. As you see, for the beginner especially, if you don't know the ports, you can see here the ports. So USB port you have to search. Connect the USB port here. When you connect with USB port, you listen something in your computer. That is very obvious. So in this webcam has some light, you see. I touch and check the light. So this webcam is already connected. Only I connect with the cable, the webcam is detected. Okay, now I'm gonna open any application. For example, I'm opening Skype. Okay, I'm in the Skype. I want to see the webcam is detected in Skype or not. I go to the setting option here, audio video. You see Cisco webcam, this is working. Excellent. It's very simple and easy tutorial, guys. If any case, if your webcam is not detected, you have to go to searching option, tap here, type device manager. As you see, in device manager, when device manager opens, you have to see the camera option. Here you see I have two webcam detected. Suppose you connected a webcam is not there. So what you have to do, you have to put action, scan for hardware changes. Hit this one. It will automatically detect the webcam. You see, I just hit action, is done. Instead, in case if you see your device is there and device is not working still, what you need to do, you have to hit the device, hit the right button of the mouse. Here you see update driver, disable driver, hit update driver. Scan for automatic driver from online. So it will find the best driver for your webcam. In this case, if it's not still working, check my video, check the video description. There I showed how you can manually install your webcam. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.